Hello, this is Greg Sprunk with Superior Cleaning Equipment. Thank you for following us on our YouTube channel at Superior Cleaning Equipment, or I think at Greg Sprunk. We post our videos on both of them. Today we're pretty excited. We've done one of the nicer trailer builds that we've ever had. And this particular trailer is a recycle trailer, and we're going to walk around, do a little walk around tour of it right now. We took a standard 6.5 by 12 foot trailer. We Line-X coated it. We do that in-house here, sprayed it, the wood deck, so it's coated with a bedliner type material. We've got the Landa PGHW 3500. This is a 5 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI hot water unit. As we walk around here, we'll show you a little bit here, the skid, the front mounted controls. What we did that was unusual on this one is we mounted it from the front. So what's kind of cool is that's where the control panel on this unit is, and it gave us some room on either side, and there's nothing on this side we need to have access to. We have access from the pump here and the fueling. We've got the engine right here in the front, and the adjustable thermostat, hour meter, the burner, easy to service like all Landa units, but now even easier right off the front of the trailer. We put a 3,800 watt generator on here to run our MFS 8 gallon a minute, 202 CFM vacuum system that we'll show you in a little bit, vacuum and filtration system. And then that kind of laid out a area for the surface cleaner. So we got a 24-inch AP surface cleaner here that we sold with this system. Going around a little further, we've got a 500 gallon black water tank. We order all our tanks most of the time unless the customer specifies it in black because of UV resistance. We're in Arizona, in Southern California. Don't want to build up algae in the tank. And this customer requested two 35 gallon chemical tanks. So right behind here, tucked in behind this 500 gallon tank, we have our two 35 gallon chemical tanks. And they wanted to have one of them for concentrate and one of them that's more diluted for the chemicals that they're using. So basically, if you walk still around here, you've got the mobile filtration system mounted right off the back, easy to service, easy to access. You've got your 50 and 20 micron filter with your 202 CFM vacuum here. Very powerful vacuum. We're not showing the vacuum hose, but it comes out of here and runs up into the system, into the tank, so they're cleaning and then reusing that water, okay? And then we've got stacked hose reels. We use the Cox reel black. We special order them in black. We put hose reel guards on here, and then we also put the fittings on here, so when you lock the hose reel, you can lock these also in place, and they're not going anywhere, okay? Very important, so you're not rolling the hose down there and scraping it up and ruining it. We did the same thing on the water supply hose. 100 foot of water supply hose, 200 foot of R2, obviously, Landa 24-inch hose guard on the pressure. And then we got a downstream chemical injector coming off of here that can go into either of these two tanks. And as you can see also, we plumb everything with a ball valve with the dump valve here, another ball valve here with the Banjo industrial egg strainer running into the pump. That way you can turn that ball valve off when you're checking the filter. The last thing you want to do is have water flowing through the filter, get into the filter and go into the pump. So really nice feature here. And we put 3-inch pipe on here on the ball valve because if you want to get rid of the water, you want to do it quickly. You don't want it dribbling out. So we do that. And all this stuff costs extra money. It's very nice. We include it in our trailer kits on all of them we do. We also have a bypass line. When from the unloader, instead of going back into the front of the pump, we bypass it to the top of the tank, which is also very nice, okay? So that's our walk around here on this unit. This is a, again, 5 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI, 500 gallon tank, twin chemical tanks, recycling system, 3,800 watt generator. You can also run lights and some other things off of that. If you need to, off that generator. That's why that separate generator is kind of nice. Sometimes people build them in together. Sometimes you can order them in with a 3,000 or 4,000 watt generator on the skid. But we found a lot of people like having that separate generator. So again, come see us or visit us online at www.sceclean.com, on our YouTube channel, at Superior Cleaning Equipment or at Greg Sprunk. And we'll be doing podcasts and some other things coming through on sprunkingit.com.